Hello student, good afternoon. Today I am going to discuss chemistry of 11th class. That is periodic table and subtopic is blocks in long form of periodic tables. How many blocks in long form of periodic table? How many blocks? That is 4 blocks. S block, second one is P block, third one is D block, and last one is F block. X block element are those elements in which last electron enter in S subshell. P block elements are those elements in which last electron enter in P subshell, and D block element are those elements in which last electron enter in D subshell, and F block elements are those elements in which last electron enter in F subshell. In previous video I have discussed these particular points. So I am going to discuss S block. S block elements. S block elements are this is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. This is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. And this is hydrogen. This is first period, second period, third period, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh period. In first period the element is hydrogen, second period in S block that is lithium and beryllium, third period in S block that is sodium and magnesium, fourth period in S block that is potassium and calcium, fifth period in S block that is rubidium and strontium, and sixth period cesium and barium, and seventh period francium and radium. The atomic number of lithium is 3, atomic number of sodium is 11, atomic number of potassium is 19. So atomic number of beryllium is 4, atomic number of magnesium is 12, atomic number of calcium is 20. Okay, so this is first group and this is second group. So in S block element there are two groups, that is first group and second group, and total number of period is 7. The first element in S block is not hydrogen because its position is not fixed. The first element is lithium, its atomic number is 3. Next, how to write the electronic configuration in terms of blocks for S block element. Electronic configuration of S block element in terms of subcell, that is S, P, D and F subcell. Next, first element is lithium, its atomic number is 3. So first cell contain 2 electron and second cell contain 1 electron. So we can write 1s2 and 2s1. Maximum number of electron in S subcell is 2. The first cell contain S subcell and number of electron is 2. So 1s2, and second cell contain 1 electron and second subcell is S. So it is written as 2s1. Last electron enter in S subcell, so it is S block element. In case of magnesium, atomic number is 12. We can write 282. This is K cell, L cell and M cell. So we can write 1s2 for K cell and L cell 2s2 2p6, because in p subcell maximum number of electron is 6. Then third cell which is write as 3s2. So electronic configuration of magnesium is written as 1s2, second cell contain S subcell and P subcell. So in S maximum number of electron is 2, in P maximum number of electron is 6. So 2s2 2p6. Third cell contain, in third cell number of electron present in 2, so it is written as 3s2. Okay, this is known as valence shell. It contain 2 electrons and last electron enter in S subcell, so it is a S block element. Okay, next I am going to discuss the electronic configuration of calcium. Electronic configuration of calcium, its atomic number is 20. So configuration is written as 2, 8, 8 and 2, because it contains 4 cell, that is K, L, M and N. How we can write in terms of subcell? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. In first cell it is written as 1s2, for second cell it is written as 2s2, 2p6, for third cell it is written as 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. Last electron present in S subcell, so it is a S block element. This is known as valency cell or valence cell. It contains 2 electrons, so its valency is equal to 2. Next, so in S block elements, last electron enter in S subcell, so it is written as electronic configuration written as NS122, because in S block last it contain 1 electron or 2 electrons, so the electronic configuration is written as NS2. We can explain this in very good manner. For example, in case of lithium the atomic number is 3, in case of beryllium the atomic number is 4. So electronic configuration of lithium we can write 1s2 2s1. In case of beryllium we can write 1s2 2s2. So in S block element, outer S subcell contain 1 electron or outer S subcell contain 2 electron. So the configuration is written as 1 to 2. General electronic configuration is NS122. So S block element is represented as, we can write in periodic table, we can draw the periodic table. This is lithium, this is sodium, potassium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. This is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Okay, and here it is hydrogen. The atomic number is 3, atomic number is 11, atomic number is 9. How we can obtain? We can add 8 in 3, it is equal to 11. Also we can add 8, it is equal to 19, and this is 37. We can add 18, 50. We can also add 18 in 37, then it is 55. and last one we can add 32. So this is 87. So atomic number of francium is 87. Atomic number of lithium is 3. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic number of potassium is 19. Atomic number of rubidium is 37. Atomic number of cesium is 55 and francium is 87. Atomic number of beryllium is 4. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. Atomic number of calcium is 20. Atomic number of strontium is 38. And atomic number of barium is 56. And atomic number of radium is 88. So in this way we can add 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. We get the number that is 11, 19, 37, 55, 87. So we can learn in this way for atomic number. Okay. So S block element contain group number 1 and group number 2. Total number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In S block elements, total number of element is equal to 12. Hydrogen, the position of hydrogen is not fixed, so it is not included in. Sometime it is included, sometime it is not included. So the total number of S block element is 12. S block elements are metals. Okay, in next video I will discuss in detail. Thank you for watching the video.